Hi, my name is Maria Ortega and you are on the Lady Maria 51 channel. Today I will share with you a recipe that everyone who has tried it has loved. Today I'm going to make butter frosting. This recipe is in Spanish on my YouTube channel. You can find the link in the information box. La receta que le están enseñando hoy está en mi canal de YouTube en español. Les dejaré el enlace en la cajita de información. So let's go to the recipe. Now we're going to do a recipe that is very special to me. It's from my recipe book. And it's a very easy recipe with only a few ingredients. You can use it for any type of cake or cupcake. The ingredients for the preparation of frosting are 3 cups of confection sugar, which is equal to 24 ounces, which is equal to 672 grams. A stick of butter, which is equal to 4 ounces, which is equal to 113 grams. You can use the butter with or without salt. A tablespoon of white vanilla, which is equal to 15 milliliters. 1 tablespoon of milk, which is equal to 15 milliliters. These are all the ingredients for the butter frosting. Now we go to the preparation. To prepare the butter frosting, the first thing we will do is add the confection sugar or the icing sugar. Add the butter. Add the vanilla. And add the milk and we will mix. Now with the spatula, we are going to mix the sugar that sticks to the walls. The butter must be at room temperature when you're going to make the mixture. This way, the butter will be soft and not hard. Now we're going to mix with the mixer. Here the butter frosting is ready. As you see, it has a firm and a creamy consistency. It is essential to consume it the day it is prepared because it has little durability as it has milk. It is very delicious and you can use it for your favorite dessert. Now we are going to be frosting the cupcake with the butter frosting that we just made. I'm going to do it slowly so that you can see the consistency and the texture of the frosting. And the technique also, because there are many techniques for frosting. Here we are little by little, and remember that the practice is what makes perfect. See how beautiful it is. See how easy it is to prepare this butter frosting and with few ingredients. If you like this video, give it a like, and if you want to receive more recipes like this, remember to subscribe to this channel, Lady Maria 51, and activate the bell. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, which is Lady Maria 51, where I'm sharing tips. See you in the next video.